Sometimes the Wi-Fi keeps getting disconnected on your Windows 11 and it make your internet unstable. So in this video you will see different ways to fix when your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. The very first thing you need to do is restart everything. Restart your PC and router as well and check if your Wi-Fi is stable or not. If not, try to forget the connected Wi-Fi network. Go to the connected Wi-Fi networks and then right click on the network which is connected and then forget. After that, connect back to the Wi-Fi network, put your password and connect and check if the Wi-Fi is stable or not. If not, follow the next method. Now go to Windows menu, then settings, network and internet option, Wi-Fi, then connected Wi-Fi network and check if the network profile is set to public. If it is public, then make it private. Choosing the private network option might fix the Wi-Fi problem if it is getting disconnected frequently. And if that doesn't work, follow the next method. Go to search and look for device manager and open the app. Expand the network adapters. You will find your Wi-Fi network adapter. It might be Intel, Atheros, Broadcom or Realtek. Right click on it and go to properties and then power management tab and uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. You have to uncheck this option and then hit OK. Now you might have to restart your PC and check if the Wi-Fi is stable or not. If not, follow the next method. Go to search and look for control panel and open the system app and view by options should be large icons and then power options. Now you have to edit the power plan. Whatever power plan is selected, you have to edit it. Just click on change plan settings and then change advanced power settings. Now expand the wireless adapter settings and power saving mode. Now choose maximum performance. If you have a laptop, then you will get plugged in and battery option. So you have to select maximum performance for both plugged in and battery option. On the desktop PC, you won't get this option. Now hit apply and OK. And check if the Wi-Fi is working normal or not. If not, follow the next method. Go to menu, then settings, system settings, and troubleshoot option. Other troubleshooters, and run the troubleshooter for network and internet. The Windows automatic troubleshooter will try to find any problem with your PC and give you an option to fix those problems. So you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Like it is asking me to run the network test, then restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, restart modem router or access point, and restart PC. So whatever you see on the screen, you have to follow those steps. The Windows troubleshooter might help you to fix the problem, and if it doesn't work, then you can try to fix the socket API errors. Go to search and look for CMD and run it as admin. Right click and run as admin. Click on the yes option you will see on the screen. On CMD you have to execute certain commands. The first one is net sh, then space winsock, then space reset and press enter. It will reset the winsock catalog. Then type net sh, then space int, then space ip, then reset, press enter. Now you can flush the DNS cache by typing ipconfig, then space /plus DNS and press enter. Now we can renew the IP by typing ipconfig, then space /release, then ipconfig and renew. So you have to execute these commands and after that you must restart your PC. Exit out CMD and restart your PC and check if the Wi-Fi is stable or not. If not, follow the next method. Go to search and look for services and then open the system app. Here you need to find WLAN auto config service. Make sure this service is running and you have to restart the service. Right click and restart. And if it is not running, you have to start the service and then check if the Wi-Fi is stable. Now if that doesn't work, you can try to use the custom DNS. Go to menu, then settings, network and internet option, Wi-Fi, connected Wi-Fi network, and then edit the DNS server assignment. Click edit and select manual IP and IPv4. Now you can use the Google's or Cloudflare's public DNS, whatever you like. So you just have to type these addresses and save the changes. This will help you if the Wi-Fi is connected but internet is unstable. Now the next thing you can do is reset the network settings. Go to menu and settings again, network and internet option, and advanced network settings. Click on network reset and then reset now. Click on yes option. After that, it will restart your PC. Now log in back to your PC and connect to the Wi-Fi network and check if it is stable. If not, you can try to remove the network adapters. Go to search and look for device manager and then network adapters. Expand this option. Find your Wi-Fi network adapter, right click on it and then update the driver first before uninstalling. Choose the automatic option, and if you see the best driver is already installed, you can try to search the Windows update for the latest available drivers, or you can manually update your Windows. And if that doesn't work, you can try to uninstall the Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it, then uninstall device. Now click on uninstall. It will remove the Wi-Fi adapter from your PC. After this, you have to restart your PC, or you can go to Action tab and scan for hardware changes to reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter and check if the Wi-Fi is stable. If not, you can try to delete the Wi-Fi driver. Right click on it and then uninstall device. This time, check this option, attempt to remove the device driver, and hit uninstall. Now you must restart your PC. And after the restart, it will auto install the Wi-Fi driver. And now connect back to the Wi-Fi and check if it is working fine. If not, you can try to install the latest available driver. Go to search and look for the Wi-Fi driver for your PC or laptop. If you have laptop, then type the device model and then Wi-Fi driver or just driver. If you have custom built PC, look for the drivers for your motherboard. You have to select the basic details about your product. On different websites, you will get different interface. Anyhow, you have to find the drivers for your device. Now find the WLAN or Wi-Fi driver, and if you see any latest drivers are available, you have to download and install those drivers. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions to install the Wi-Fi driver. And after that, you have to restart your PC and your Wi-Fi should work fine without any problem. So this is how you can fix when Wi-Fi